All right, we're going to take a look at And Your Bird Can Sing by the Beatles. And what I did is I applied all the guitar parts to acoustic guitar so that you can take this song anywhere. And if you're playing in a little group or, you know, have a little band together and you guys want to jam wherever, you've got all the guitar parts here. So there's some really great lead lines. We got that chorus part. It's pretty nice. All these harmonized parts here, which in of itself are all good to learn anyway. So heck, why not? It also happens to be Blueberry Man's favorite song. For those of you who don't know who Blueberry Man, let's take a look. Let's roll that tape, Anthony. Let's take a look at Blueberry Man. Woo! Right. A new Rady Guide character introduced in this very lesson. So anyway, what are we talking about here? Okay, yeah, all right. We're gonna run through this song and then we're gonna break down this one, so get some coffee because there's a lot of cool stuff in here. And you know, you're gonna wanna be at your best on this one for the George and Paul parts and whatnot. Okay, let's run it. Let's do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.